What's up, everybody? My name is Demetri Kofinas, and you're listening to Hidden Forces, a podcast that inspires investors, entrepreneurs, and everyday citizens to challenge consensus narratives and to learn how to think critically about the systems of power shaping our world. My guest in this week's episode is Rory Johnston. Rory is a widely quoted researcher and expert in global commodities markets. His work includes a variety of research and investment projects, including his commodity market research platform at commoditycontext.com, as well as both public market portfolio and private equity strategy at Price Street. This episode is for premium subscribers only and is part of an ongoing series of conversations that I've been curating with guests focused on investment themes and opportunities in the commodities complex. The goal of this conversation is to provide you with a more critical look at the supply side story in oil, refined products like gasoline and diesel, and to a lesser degree, natural gas, including drivers of end-use demand for these commodities. The demand side picture is much more difficult to project as it requires assumptions about growth, monetary policy, and the further implementation of sanctions on Russian energy supplies, things that we explored most recently in my episodes with Helen Thompson on energy geopolitics and Ian Bremmer on how to fight a geopolitical recession, both of which are featured in the related tab on this week's episode page on our website. Rory and I also discuss some of the financial data that he has compiled in his most recent oil markets data deck, including calendar spreads and speculative positioning in major crude contracts, and how we can use that information to help us anticipate the direction of and volatility in oil prices going forward. For premium subscribers to our Super Nerd tier, Rory has provided you with an abridged version of his data deck for the month of July, which publishes in full on his Commodity Context Substack today. As most of you already know, Hidden Forces is listener supported. I don't rely on advertisers or commercial sponsors. So if you want access to our entire content library, including my episode with Rory, as well as the transcripts and intelligence reports, head over to hiddenforces.io, select the episode that you're interested in listening to, and click on the premium extras, where you can then sign up to one of our premium content tiers. Since some of this episode deals with investing, it should be absolutely clear that nothing we say on this podcast can or should be viewed as financial advice. All opinions expressed by me and my guests are solely our own opinions and should not be relied upon as the basis for financial decisions. And with that, please enjoy this premium-only episode with my guest, Rory Johnston.